These simple wooden animal AI videos are pulling in millions of views across social media, and surprisingly, not many creators are making them yet. That means there's still a chance to get in early before the trend becomes overcrowded and much harder to stand out in. The best part is that these videos are now being created with the help of AI, making the entire process much faster than you might think. So, if you want to create these videos yourself, this video is for you. In this fast tutorial, I'll show you the exact workflow to create these yourself using only free AI tools. Let's get started. First, open Google and search Explore GPTs. Then go to the site. This is the GPT library. Now search for the model called Handcraft Designs, select it, and start a new chat. You'll see two options: create a design from scratch or start with a reference image. For this tutorial, we'll begin from scratch. The GPT will give you 10 different design types for this niche. We'll choose animals, since these designs have already racked up millions of views on social media. Now you'll see several animal ideas for your video. In this example, we're going to create a wolf design. The GPT will then generate both an image prompt and a video prompt for you. Next, open Flow AI, then switch back to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt. Paste it into the prompt box, apply the settings shown on screen, and click Generate. After a few moments, Flow AI will generate 2 images for your video. Choose the one you like best and add it to the prompt box. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, and paste it into the prompt box. For settings, use a 9:16 aspect ratio, the Omni Flash model, and a 10-second duration. Once everything's set, start generating the video. This usually takes just a few moments. And here's the final result: a satisfying time-lapse of the wolf design being handcrafted from scratch, with each wooden piece placed into position until the full design is complete. Now just download the video to your device, and that's it. If anything in this process was unclear, drop your question in the comments. I read and reply to every single one. Make sure to subscribe and like the video.